Yes, welcome back to London Jawar's channel. Today I have one of my favorite trainers here in this box, ready to unbox. It's the Airmax 90 OG Infrared, as you could read from the title. I'm excited about this right here. Luckily, I picked these up. They still had them in stock on n.com, nclothing.com. I thought that they would have been sold out. I thought I missed out on the raffle when they first came out, but they still had some in stock. So I'm here adding this to my collection. So yeah, let me start unboxing so I can show you guys this beauty. Get the scissors out. Gone are the days when we just open things all willy-nilly and aggressively. We take our time nowadays. There we go. Ooh. Look at that. Red. Solar red box. Got a little letter here from End. Not for you guys. Woo! Airmax 90 OG. Look at that box. It's not your typical Nike box. For you guys that have Nike trainers out there, I'm pretty sure you know how the typical Nike box looks. With the fat Nike swoosh on top. This one here has got the Nike Air in the corner. See, you've got the grey stripes on the side. Put this box away. Okay, here we go. It's that time to reveal these OGs. Woo! See that box there? We've got a few people running, some men and some women there. Can't see if they're wearing the Airmax 90s, but give you an up close and personal view of that. There you go. So we've got some old school tracksuits. I'm guessing this is the 1990 edition when it first came out. We've got the OG's hair. As you can see, guys, give an up and close personal view. You've got the OG's. You've got the Concorde's hair. And the OG's on the other side. Infrareds. It's lovely. That's a nice little piece. Lovely, lovely. I love that. But now, we reveal these classics. Whoo! Look at these bad boys. Lovely. Look at those classics. Infrared OGs. I'm telling you, you need a pair of these in your life. If you love trainers, you need to have the Airmax 90 Infrared OGs in your collection. Look at that. I was also told they're also, with this release, this shape of the Airmax 90s is the same original shape as when it first came out in 1990. You see that line there? I think that's a way to indicate the Airmax 90s with the original shape, as I was told. But yeah, man, loving that. Look at that at the back, the Nike Air sign at the back. Look at the silhouette. Look at this trainer right here. Beauty. Love it. You get the other pair out. Woo! Look at that. See that on the side? Got a little solar red accents. Look at this bad boy here. That's when you know it's respected. When you know it's a respected OG retro, it comes with a tag. I don't think I'm gonna take it off when I wear those, just to let people know I got some OGs on my feet. But yeah, man, if you can still find these, I suggest you invest in these. You need to add this to your collection. Give you a little close-up right there. Beauties. Airmax 90 Infrared OGs. Love them. But yeah, I'm going to do a try-on as well to let you see how it looks like on my feet in a bit. Peace. I've got them on feet. Decided to leave the tag on for the on feet. That's just to let everyone know that these are the retros. That's them underneath. You've got a black and red sole. Have a look there. Me, I'm styling them with some blue jeans right now. Another style that I think will work well with these will be with shorts, as the red is it's a real summer red. So I think they'll be good with shorts. These trainers are very comfortable as well. I'll say I've had Airmax 90s in the past, and I'll say they haven't been this comfortable. So I do like what they've done with this re-edition of the OG Infrareds. Yeah, man. All in all, these are beauty. These are lovely. One of my favorite Airmax colorways. You lot let me know what you think is the best Airmax colorway to be released. Let me know if this is your favorite Airmax or if you have another that you believe are better than these. Let me know if you like them on feet. Let me know how you think they'll be styled best as well. I've done a simple knot with these laces too. And if you wanted to know, I'm wearing a UK 8.5. This is an 8.5 right here. See the air bubble there? There's the air bubble. Everyone who wants to see them closer. Yeah, man, these are lovely, man. These are great. The mesh as well in the toe box. Give you a little closer look. There again, my right foot. Yeah. So that's the on-feet look of these. Lovely. Yes, so we've come to the end of the video, but before I end it, I just want to give you a close-up of the trainers as well. So here we go. You see, there's the Airmax 90 infrareds, up close and personal. As you can see, the tag right there. Give you a little look of the sole. Just pan it quickly for you guys. It's a work of art, isn't it? Such a beauty, man. These colors together are just beautiful, man. I had to bring out my PSG solar red top to match these bad boys. Also, a little something that I noticed. Look at the sizing information. It's a bit different from the trainers that we get nowadays, isn't it? I think that's like a little reference to how they used to look like when they first came out in 1990. My wild guess. I'm guessing that's what it is. But yeah, also I just wanted to bring this little leaflet that came in the box. Give you a little close-up as well. As you can see, it's a Nike International Collection Spring 1990. So I'm guessing this is when the Air Max 90 first came out. It came out with this pack, and also these are actually running trainers. So they must have been for runners during the 1990s, track runners, marathon runners. I don't know, but yeah, man. It's originally a running trainer for those that don't know. I'll give you a close-up of the opening as well. So you can see the track suits, the international pack. You see the infrareds there. And also the Concords. Those are the ones that have the pink on them. Those are the Concords for people who don't know. But yeah, man. Beautiful trainers right here. Love these. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. Honestly, I don't know if they're sold out yet. I feel like people are sleeping on these. So if they're not sold out, I suggest you look online for them. Oh yeah, before I go, the box also comes with some arch supports. There you go. That's how they look like. But yeah, man. Look online, man. I got these from N Clothing. They still had a few in stock after the release date. So look online. Might be on N Clothing. Just Google Airmax 90 Infrared OG. Hopefully you can pick up a pair. But yeah, man. It's your boy London Jawar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, man. And also share with people as well, man. Share with your friends who like trainers or who like clothes, fashion, all of that. But yeah, man, until next time, take it easy. It's your boy London Jawar. Have a good day. I'm out.